Welcome to our channel today. We're diving into the complete step-by-step guide on how to link and use Disney Plus on all your devices without any hassle. Welcome to our channel today. We're diving into the complete step-by-step guide on how to link and use Disney Plus on all your devices without any hassle. Whether you're streaming on your smart TV, mobile, tablet, or computer, we've got you covered with simple steps to get started and enjoy your favorite Disney content anytime, anywhere. First, let's start by creating or logging into your Disney Plus account on your preferred device. Head to the Disney Plus app or website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, the sign-up process is straightforward. Just provide your email, create a password, and choose your subscription plan. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section to find the Link Devices option. This is your key portal to connect multiple devices for seamless streaming. Next, pick the device you want to link. On smart TVs and streaming devices like Roku, Apple TV, or Amazon Fire Stick, open the Disney Plus app and select Log In or Activate Device. You'll see a unique activation code on screen. Then on your phone or computer, visit disneyplus.com/begin and enter this activation code. This process instantly links your TV or streaming device to your Disney Plus account. On mobile devices, simply downloading the Disney Plus app from the App Store or Google Play Store and signing in is enough to connect and enjoy content on that device. For gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox, download the Disney Plus app from the console's App Store. Launch it, select Log In or Activate, and follow the activation code process just like with smart TVs. To watch on your computer, simply log into the Disney Plus website via your web browser. No additional activation is necessary here. Once you've linked your devices, it's time to explore Disney Plus' rich content. Use the intuitive search bar to find movies, TV shows, and exclusive originals. Take advantage of user profiles to customize your viewing experience with personalized recommendations and parental controls. Remember, you can watch on up to 4 devices simultaneously, perfect for family and friends who want to share your Disney Plus subscription. Finally, keep your Disney Plus app updated to ensure you get the latest features and security improvements. If you ever face playback issues, a quick app restart or device reboot usually does the trick. Linking and using Disney Plus on all your devices is easier than ever with these steps. Enjoy the magical world of Disney right at your fingertips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful streaming guides and tips.